Hello student, you can see on your screen the diagram of a pH paper. pH paper is an indicator, and this is also can called universal indicator. The reason behind pH paper give us the information about the solution, how it is strong or what is the strength of the solution. So student, you can see the other indicator always turning color and changing and tell us that this is a basic solution or acidic solution, but in case of pH paper it gives us more information compared to the other indicator. This have some number 1 to 14, and if number is less than 7, then we can say it is acidic, and if number is more than 7, then we can say it is a basic solution, and if the number is 7, then we can say neutral. Water is neutral substance which always present at the 7 number position, and some strong acid you can see the number is very less. 1 number, suppose hydrochloric acid, the 2 number, suppose the acidic strength will be less, and this way when 7 number will come, then it will be neutral. And if you go next 8 number, the 9 number, then all are base, and 14 number is a very strong base like sodium hydroxide. So this universal indicator or pH paper gives us information it is acidic or basic. Moreover, it gives us the information that how strong or how weak a acid or base. If the color is very deep, then we can say it is a strong, and if color is fat, then we can say it is a weak. Hello student of class 7, let's continue our chapter acid, base and salt. And today we are going to know about the indicator. Indicator are something which indicate us that the medium is acidic or basic. Therefore, we can say indicator is a substance that helps to identify whether a given solution is acidic or basic or neutral with the help of change in color. A small quantity of the indicator is added to the substance being tested to observe a change in color. The indicator does not affect the nature of the substance being tested. Based on the source, indicators are of two types: natural and synthetic indicator. Natural indicators are those indicators which are obtained from the natural source like plant and animals. For example, litmus paper is a natural indicator. China rose is a natural indicator. Cabbage and turmeric are few natural indicators. Let's know about the litmus paper. Litmus is an indicator that is commonly used in school laboratories. It is a purple dye made from organism called lichen. Purple litmus solution turns red in acidic solution and blue in basic solution. Litmus is often used in the form of blue and red paper strips. Acid turn blue, litmus paper red, and while base turn red litmus paper blue. So student, remember litmus paper is a natural indicator because litmus paper we obtain from the natural source plant, and the plant name is here lichen. Lichen is a kind of plant which can grow only those area where pollution is very less. So since litmus paper we obtain from the natural source, we can say it is a natural paper, and as we know that in litmus paper changes color in acidic medium red and in basic medium blue. China rose is another natural indicator. Petals of the China rose are used to make juice that is used as a natural indicator. To make the indicator, fresh petals are left in warm water for some time until the water acquires a pink color. The indicator turns dark pink in the acid and green in a base. Here another natural indicator which always we use in our kitchen, that is turmeric. Turmeric or haldi is a commonly used indicator, and we face different kind of experience. Indian dishes, for example, if you eat some curry and if it falls on your shirt and if you use soap, then you can see the color turning into red. Why? Because curry contain turmeric, and this turmeric is a natural indicator. Turmeric solution is yellow in color. Its color remain yellow in acid, but in but in case of basic, the color changes into brick red. So here another natural indicator which is red cabbage. Juice obtained from red cabbage is also used as an indicator. You can see figure 5.15. This indicator is purple in color. It changes its color from purple to red in acid and purple to green in base.